everyone, welcome to Literature with Rachna. Today we will study Class 6 English 2 lesson The Starting Point Questions and Answers. So let's see question number 1. What was the big treat Milkha Singh looked forward to? Why does he call it a big treat? Let's see what's the answer. The big treat that Milkha Singh looked forward to was getting a glass of milk that will be every day during training. Okay, he calls it a big treat. Why? Because his childhood was filled with want and deprivation. Means during the childhood he was very poor. That's why he called a glass of milk a big treat. So let me move on to question number 2. Now in question number 2, first we have a sentence and on base of sentence we have questions. Let's see. Luck was with me that day. Now question, was it merely luck that helped Milkha Singh that day? Why? If it was a luck, or why not? Let me give the reason also with that. Answer, no. It was not merely luck. Okay, it was not merely luck. What was it? He also gave it his best shot and tried hard to run. Okay, and then rest in such a way that he was in the lead. He was carefully watching that no one should ahead of me. He was watching when someone is just going to catch and going to lead. He was immediately stand and he was running. It was his effort that helped Milkha that day. So this is answer number 2. Now we will move on to question number 3 and its answer. Let's see what is this. Question 3 is, who was Gurudev? Why was Milkha Singh so grateful to him? Let's see answer. Gurudev was the instructor in the army. Okay, he trained new recruits, but he was also a good runner who participated in races. He was not only giving training to the newcomers, but also he was joining them during the race. Milkha Singh was grateful to him. Why? Because Gurudev constantly pushed the trainees. He ran with them during training sessions and encouraged them to run for the regiment. His guidance inspired Milkha, not only Milkha, everyone. He was a guide, he was a motivator. So that's the answer. Let's move on to number 4. Why did Milkha Singh find it so easy to run a quarter mile? Why then did he continue to train hard? What did this practice help him to achieve? Now in this question number 4, we have 3 sub-questions. So let me give answer one by one. He was used to running 6 miles every day, which is why running a quarter mile was very easy. Now this is question number 1 answer. Next one is, he continued to train hard because he wanted to be better and improve his time. We should not like oversmart, like okay, we can know anything, we can give answer of anything, so we should not go further. No, we should always do practice. This practice helped him improve his running time until he was running 400 meters in less than a minute. So that's why he did practice, and that practice helped him a lot to achieve his goal. He started running 400 meters in less than a minute. Let's move on to question number 5. They had an air of power and prestige about them. Who was the speaker talking about? Question 2. Why did these people have an air of power and prestige about them? So let me give 2 answers. First one, the speaker is talking about the athletes who he saw during the brigade meet in Hyderabad. Okay, when he went to Hyderabad. These athletes represented India in international sporting events. They had an air of power and prestige about them. Because why? Because they were the best athletes in the country and they were thus looked up to by the whole nation for their achievements. So this is answer number 5. Let me move on to question number 6 and its answer. What rules of thumb did Milkha Singh follow in practicing for the 400-meter race? Why did he call it a rule of thumb? Answer. Milkha Singh's rule of thumb was to run one round at the highest speed possible and then he was taking rest. And then again he ran another round. Okay, this was his rule of thumb. He called it a rule of thumb because it was a general idea that he was using to practice instead of any specific techniques, because he joined in Hyderabad brigade meet where he came to know how to run and what are the technical rules and regulations. So just a little idea he was taking and on his own only he was practicing it. This was question number 6. Let me move on to last question. Question number 7. How did Milkha Singh's meeting with the Brigadier S.P. Vohra change his life? What is your opinion? Could have made Brigadier S.P. Vohra take those decisions to help Milkha Singh? Brigadier S.P. Vohra's decision gave Milkha more time to practice on the field because he was busy with fatigue duty and all other tasks like practices and examinations. So he was not getting time to go for practice. But when he met with S.P. Vohra, he gave him opportunity to practice on the field daytime. Okay, better facilities were given to him, a nutritious diet and special attention for his grooming. These many things were given to him after meeting S.P. Vohra. This led him to innumerable opportunities which eventually allowed him to fulfill his dream of running for India. Okay, these facilities only gave him a big help to fulfill his dream to go and participate for India. I think the brigadier took these decisions because he was impressed by Milkha's dedication and believed in him. Of course, senior can very well observe how the youngers are, how the trainees are behaving and what are their capabilities and abilities. And the same was noticed by S.P. Vohra, where he decided to give him special facilities. So these were the question and answers of the lesson, the starting point.